The fun lab that we're going to do today is hair by microscopy. I want you to look at cat, dog, human, and rat hair. I want you to be real descriptive in your drawings according to the structural and scale patterns that you see for each one of these, so that whenever you get to the unknown, then you should be able to look at your previous drawings and determine this unknown just by looking at your drawings. Would that not be cool? You're going to go around to different stations and you're going to be looking at the different slides, and then ultimately you will be coming back to the unknown slide to determine the mystery. On your sketch paper, I do want you to put your total magnification. That's the ocular multiplied by the objective. The value for the ocular is noted on the side, 10x, and the objective is seen here at the bottom. You can see this. So 10x ocular, 40x objective. What is that total? 400. 400. Lovely. You're going to enjoy this. Have fun.